Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Realme U1 unboxing, and also I'm giving away this Realme U1. So watch this video till the end to know how to participate. Let's remove this plastic. On the front, as you can see, U1, and on the bottom, Realme. Also it says Realme U1 on the both side of the box. On the back, there's no specification about the phone. It has a sticker on the bottom. Opening up the box, we have another box here, and here's this SIM ejector tool. And in this you will find some paperwork, as you can see, and a transparent TPU case which helps your phone from getting scratches. And after that, here we have Realme U1. We will talk about this phone in a minute. For now, let's just set this phone aside. And here it says dreams, ambitions, courage, power, passion. We fit it all in one box. And here's the charger, which is 5 volts and 2 amps. Which means no fast charging. And the last thing, a USB to micro USB cable. Here is the Realme U1. Let's remove this protective cover. And also the sticker on the back. And as you can see, it has this really nice design on the back. Actually, the phone fits comfortably in hands. And now let's boot this phone. And until I set it up, let me show you the phone overview. On the left side there is a SIM slot and volume rockers. This is a triple slot, so you can use 2 SIM card and 1 microSD card at the same time. And the storage can be expandable up to 256GB via microSD card. On the right side there is only a power button. Nothing on the top, and on the bottom there is headphone jack, microphone, charging port and speaker grill. It has this little water drop notch on the top with a 25MP front facing camera with an aperture of f2.0. On the back it has a dual camera setup. The main camera is a 13MP camera with an aperture of f2.2 plus 2MP camera with an aperture of f2.4, which is a depth sensor, and LED flash. And here's the fingerprint sensor. And I like the fingerprint sensor placement because when you pick up your phone, your finger will easily rest on the sensor. And on the bottom you can see Realme branding. Realme U1 comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels. With an aspect ratio of 19.5:9, it has MediaTek Helio P70 processor, which is really nice. And this is the first phone which has this Helio P70 chipset. And this is the 3GB of RAM with 32GB of internal storage. There's one more variant with 4GB of RAM with 64GB of internal storage. And this is the blue color, which they call it Brave Blue. And also there's one more color, Ambitious Black. And here we got 19.2GB available storage. And also it comes with some preloaded apps. Let's see if we can remove them. And yes, we can remove them. And if we swipe it to the right, it has the smart assistant. Let's turn it on by giving it all the permissions. And here you will find some app shortcuts and some widgets. Let's quickly take a photo to see the camera. And here's the photo. And it takes photos with good details and contrast. And if you go to the portrait mode, you will see the portrait lightings, which you can use it. And you can easily select the modes by just swiping right or to the left. The fingerprint sensor is really fast. It unlocks the phone as soon as I touch the fingerprint sensor. And also the face unlock is very quick. I can't see the lock screen, it just brings me to the home screen. And it also unlocks the phone even if your eyes are closed, but we can fix it by going in settings and by just turning on this option. Now it will only unlock the phone when your eyes are open. It instantly unlocks the phone as soon as I look at the phone. Now my eyes are closed and now open. The Realme U1 comes with a 3500 mAh battery. I'm giving away this Realme U1 to one of you guys. To participate, all you have to do is click the link in the description below and complete all the steps to participate. And I will announce the winner on 21st December on my social media. So make sure you follow me on social media. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notification to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.